Alright guys, here's a few things I just took off the truck. A couple of big electrical disconnect switch. Nice thick copper there. Another disconnect switch. Another switch. Some expansion tanks. Got another condensing unit. Bunch of number 1 pipe. Air handler, a furnace, nice table saw, that works. We'll sell that, 75 bucks. Kerosene heater down in there, that works. I'm sure I could sell that for 50 bucks or so. A couple of A coils down here, a couple of air conditioners, expansion tanks. I picked all this stuff up yesterday. I'm just unloading it today. And I know you guys see a lot of books right here. I'll try to make another video of this, but I bought 2,000 books. Looks the cab of the truck here. I don't want to open the door because they're all going to fall out. I don't know if you can see through there. Let me walk around the other side. Whole entire truck cab is full of books. It's all going to get sold on Amazon and eBay. I took a few boxes off already, but there's just about 2,000, plus or minus, you know, a few books, but it's right around 2,000 books. Let me unload more of the truck, and I'll show you as we go here, guys. So guys, I told you on the truck I bought 2,000 books. Here they are, all stacked up. I gotta go through them all. I gotta scan them all. All these boxes are full of books. Books, books, books. And then back here in the back of the warehouse, I made another stack of the books. All these boxes right here on the bottom, all books. You can't really see down in there, but it's 2 rows wide of boxes and stacks of books. It was just about 2,000 books, plus or minus a few. I buy it from this guy all the time, about once a month. He gets all these books, maybe 5 weeks, but it's about once a month. Now we got to scan them all and get them to Amazon. I'll show you that video at a later date. I got a few scrap pickups to do right now. Got a couple furnaces here. Gas furnaces. I got to take these apart. They're going tomorrow. Picked up a treadmill, a little bit of duct work. A boiler that I picked up a couple days ago. It's all taken apart. Picked up a couple air conditioners. A couple compressors. Added a little bit more copper to the pile. I got all these desks over here. 2 of them are sold. The rest are going to go to scrap because they're just in my way. A couple little things down here. There's that A coil. I got to cut that apart. This stuff's ready to go right back on the truck. This table saw. Guy was throwing it out. It works. I got that sold for 100 bucks. Waiting on the guy. Supposed to be here in about, I don't know, maybe an hour. Let me take apart some more of this stuff and show you what it looks like. Alright guys, I moved quite a bit of stuff today. There's those A coils I took apart, piled up. Took apart this hot water heater. Had a nice copper coil in it. It's right over here. cut that steel end off, and send that out for number 2 copper. I started working on these brackets a little bit. I'm going to keep going on these for another hour or so. There's a Gaylord box about a third full of cast aluminum. I prepped all this miscellaneous stuff that I picked up. Now I got a load ready for tomorrow morning. It's quite a bit here. I'll get a little bit more done today. That way it could go in the pile there. Hot water heater. That's ready to go. I got these 2 electrical boxes I got to take apart. I got a little bit more of extruded aluminum here. I got to cut them in half. This Gaylord here is full. All extrusion. I got this disconnect box right here. I'm going to sell this one. There's nothing wrong with it. They usually sell pretty quick. And then one day I'm going to work on some of this copper. But not today. And then that death pile over there. That never seems to go away. When it gets down a little bit, I bring 3 more truckloads of stuff. But I suppose it's a good problem to have. All that copper, all these radiators, there's stuff everywhere here. It's a good problem to have. A lot of stainless over here. Some more coils. There's about a dozen bags over here of cans and bottles. And I got all these motors. Well, I'm going to end this video here, guys. This is what I did on a Sunday. Not a bad day. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, share. I'll get some more videos out to you soon. Thanks for watching.